Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today for this video, and thanks a lot for all the messages, feedback, comments. A lot of you have sent me personal mails. Thanks a lot for all the feedback, letting me know that the readings are resonating with you, and also for all your love and support to my channel. Also, a lot of you have sent me messages, screenshots of you sharing my channel, sharing the live sessions. Thanks once again for all the love. So before we move forward with the reading, with the video, I just want you to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. All the people who are new and followers who've been there, the previous watchers, I just want you to keep sharing the channel. Thanks a lot. So let's move on. This is a reading to let you know what's coming in your career, the career opportunities coming your way, and we'll see for the next few months what's coming in your career. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck with the tiger's eye crystal on top. So just take your time, put the video on hold, choose your pile. Think about your career, think about what's going on in your, coming, what opportunities are you looking for, what's going on in your situation. And I'm going to make a very quick, fast reading for you all, a sweet and fast reading, a crisp reading, so that you all know the gist of what's coming in your career, the new opportunities coming your way. So once you've chosen your pile, just wait for your pile to come. I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below, so you can see those. And please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situations completely. So please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. So people who've chosen pile number 1, just think about your career situation at this point in time. If you're looking for change, if you're looking for further opportunities, if it's stagnant, if it's constant, whatever be it, in your career, what are you looking for? And I shall, just shuffle the cards for you. So people who've chosen pile number 1, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, let's see what's in store for you for your career. People who've chosen pile number 1, I can see that there is a lot of stagnancy coming from the past, and there is a lot of dullness. Maybe you're just tired, maybe you're just, things are not moving, maybe you're just sick of doing the same thing, whatever you are. Maybe the current job is now very stagnating, maybe it's frustrating. You're looking for something new, you're looking for maybe a change. It could just be a simple change. A lot of you might be in a working from home kind of an environment, work from home environment. Maybe that's what is causing a lot of stagnancy. I don't see a stress situation or an anxious situation, but I do see dull. I do see a dull time, a constant time, which is you're just looking for change. So yes, within the next 18 to 24 days, I see a lot of change coming in your situation for the positive. And within the next 4 months, I see a lot of new beginnings on your career front. And also for a lot of people who've chosen pile number 1, I see that you are looking for some kind of a recognition in your workplace, or you're looking for that credit. Maybe that you really worked hard, and you're looking for that acknowledgement from your colleagues, from your bosses, or whoever it may be. So yes, that kind of a thing that you're looking for, it's going to take about 4 months, 3 to 4 months for a lot of you. And in this time, you will get a chance to actually prove yourself. So it could be stressful, it could be a little struggle there for you, wherein you need to really put in your best efforts. Also, I see that with these new opportunities, I do see a definite pay increase, you can say, or a financial increment which is on the cards for you. Some of you might get promoted, some of you might just have a salary hike, any of those lines. But this is all coming after a little bit of a struggle, a tweak here and there, a lot of adjustments. There will be ups and downs. You would have issues with people around you, your peers, your colleagues. You could have confusions. I do see celebrations also. So it's a new change, a change which is coming with a lot of I should say surprises, I should say opportunities, and with this it's also bringing you a little bit of a struggle. So just be prepared for this. Things are going to be up and down, but within the next 3 to 4 months, I see that constant positivity that you're looking for, a new beginning that you're looking for. That's for people who've chosen pile number 1, the sun, which definitely represents new beginnings, going up. You'll be going your promotion ladder, or your achievement ladder keeps going up. And also I'd see a wonderful change coming after the next 4 months. And like I had said, some kind of an increment in your salary, in your finances going up. With that, I do see you buying a new house, a new property, things that were stuck, that were not moving. Things have been tough on the financial side for a lot of people. It has been constantly we've been really struggling with our finances or with our careers because of this pandemic that has hit us. So once this 4 months, a struggle that I see, it passes, I see you really flourishing in your career. People who've chosen pile number 1, I had said in the beginning that within the next 18 to 24 days, I see some kind of a positivity coming your way. And I'm again saying that the next 24 days are definitely bringing you some kind of a change or a hope or a new beginning on the career front, something that you've been looking forward to, something that you've been wanting to. And overall, I see harmony and peace on your career front towards the end of this 24 days. And like I said, it's going to be an up and down time for you, but eventually things will definitely move well for you. And also, let's see what the miracle cards are guiding you for your career. People who've chosen pile number 1, what are the miracle cards? What do they have in store for you? What is the guidance that the cards are wanting to give you regarding your career? Let's see. Alright, so expect miracles coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 1, inner guidance is coming to you. So a lot of things, your intuition, your inner guidance will guide you a lot of new things to, start doing. Also, the cards are promising you promotion, growth, as well as self-realization. So like I said, you all are definitely, people who've chosen pile number 1 are, you're on that positive side. And in the new time to come, in the next few months, a promotion, like the Rider-Waite cards have also clearly stated that there is a promotion or an increment in your salary or your position. I do see, clarity and success and you being taken to the right path. So just seek inner guidance at this point in time. Look beyond yourself and don't be afraid to aim high. So like I said, the ups and downs or the struggle that's coming, it's coming for your benefit, it's coming to help you. So don't be afraid of, taking this or aiming high and getting the best results possible for yourself. And with that, I finish with pile number 1. I wish you all the best for your career. Thanks a lot once again for watching. Please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you're new to my channel, and I do request all the old watchers and viewers to please keep sharing my channel. Thanks a lot once again. Take care and stay safe till we meet again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. So while I shuffle the cards for you, please think about your situation, your career situation, and whatever's going on in your career, whatever you are expecting in your career situation. Let's see what's on the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 2, I see that you could be waiting for some kind of help on the career front. And you've contacted a few people, maybe you're wanting a change, or you're extremely burdened in your career at this point in time. That burden has really put a lot of stress on you, and a lot of stagnancy at the work front, a lot of dullness you're facing because of the burden, and things are not really moving the way you want them to. You're looking for some kind of celebration, you're looking for some kind of a change, you're looking also, it could also be that you're really burdened with your career, but the kind of work that you're doing and the kind of efforts that you're doing, and you are not getting the results, or you're not getting the acknowledgement and appreciation or the credit that is actually due to you. You're not being able to fetch that, and that's what is really disturbing. So it's making you feel that why are you even working, or why are you even here? You're just not really in that frame of mind where you could actually take off this burden or feel less anxious. So this is clearly showing that the kind of rewards that you've been expecting, or the kind of appreciation and credit that you've been expecting hasn't come to you. But I do see that there could be a lot of confusion and anxiety because of your colleagues and peers, and maybe other people are taking the due credit, but it's actually because of your hard work. Maybe your immediate senior is the one who's just taking everything on himself, and actually it's your hard work. So yes, I do see this situation coming to an end within no time. Actually, I don't even see a specific time frame for this, because it's happening quite soon, and you are already on that phase where the universe is ready to take you for a new beginning. You have, for a lot of you might have just surrendered yourself to the divine, to the universe, because you yourself don't know that what to do in this situation. If it's not meant to be, or if you've done everything, you've taken help also, like I've seen, but things haven't really worked for you, so you've just left it that I just don't know what the solution is, so let it just be. So right now, just hang in there, just push yourself to be where you are, and in no time I see you getting what you've really been wanting to get. I do see you again in that magnetic zone of working, getting back to your career. For a lot of you who are not in a relationship, or are not with somebody at this point in time, I do see you even meeting your perfect person, or your Mr. Right or Miss Right in this career, or in this place of work where you are in. So a beautiful time on the relationship front also for a lot of people who've chosen pile number 2. So along with the new beginning on the career front is also coming a bonus for you. I definitely see a new romantic cycle beginning, or an attraction between you and your person. Something is coming your way, and your cup that has been really stagnant and has been really wanting that credit and that acknowledgement, which has not been coming to you, is now finally going to get full with a lot of appreciation, love, and positivity, harmony, and the name, and you just name it and it's there for you. A new change coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 2. And what I can see is that you're surrendering to the divine, is just letting everything be to the universe, that it's okay, I will go the way wherever you're taking me to. That will really get you places. Your efforts are going to be rewarded, your efforts are going to be acknowledged. Right now you're maybe even a little confused whether to stay in this job, not stay in this job, stay in this field, change of field. Also for a lot of you, maybe that fire element, that zeal to really work or perform is lost. So I see that coming back very soon. So I'm going to say that whatever struggle that you've been facing since the past few months or days or weeks is now finally coming towards an end, towards a full stop, and a new beginning is on the cards for you. A time to enjoy, a time to actually enjoy the fruits of your labor that actually you've put in, and you haven't really got the results of that. So I would say 28 days from now, things are going to really be in a new sphere for you. Things are going to be under your control. You're going to be at a much higher level. You're going to be actually the one who's going to be executing all the plans and taking the credit of that. Definitely a small time success in the beginning coming your way. And also I see that from this time onwards, the 28 days which start, like whatever happens in the next 28 days, post that I see that whether it's work related, like, you might be given more responsibilities, but those will not be you're going to take it in a spirit of victory, that all right, even if more work is coming, it's all right, because this is what I deserve, because I've reached a level wherein now there's no looking back. So if you've done well, remember, with that acknowledgement, with that appreciation, more responsibility will be coming to you. So just don't fear of taking any responsibility, and please release all the negativity that you have stored in your mind and your soul, that there is a lot of inbuilt animosity or anxiety or pressure from other people, or just which is building up on your mind. So that needs to be released for a new start to happen. And again, I'm seeing it in the card that a new venture or a new partnership, or meeting your person or something on those lines, starting a new venture with somebody, a project with somebody, is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2, and definitely a new time coming for you, a positive time coming your way, a change, a positive change coming your way, and more responsibilities coming to you, but they are coming to you because you deserve it. So a balanced outcome is on the cards for you. And I do see that it's going to be a very satisfactory time, something that gives you contentment, a time which really makes you feel that yes, finally my efforts have been this is what I deserve, this is the kind of efforts I put, and yeah, finally I've got it. Let's see what the miracle cards are guiding people who've chosen pile number 2. So for people who've chosen pile number 2, firstly, this card is definitely saying that whatever distractions or whatever problems are coming in your life at this point in time, it's just at it's a temporary phase. So just relax right now. Like I said in the beginning, leave things to the Almighty. You've surrendered to the Almighty, and that's the best thing you've done. This is the time for just being patient and have a strong will. That's what the cards are confirming. And also, again, I would repeat that whatever at this point in time, I see that there are a lot of worries on your head. Like I said, that you're very you're holding on to a lot of negativity on your mind, and there's a lot of fear of the unknown, that now what. So just let it be. Just be true to yourself. Put your best aims, aim high. Put your best efforts, aim high, and leave all the fears and the negativity that you have on your mind. Relax. Don't suppress your emotions. Do not suppress your emotions, which I have already seen that you are suppressing your emotions. You're building, you might be just gossiping with a few of your colleagues or with a few of your peers on the career front. So that's not really a good thing to do at this point in time, because it's just building up a lot of distrust and anger in the situation. So just assess everything, leave everything to the universe, people who've chosen pile number 2. And I definitely see that your honesty, your hard work, your clarity of thought is going to be the essence of your next career option or opportunity that's coming your way. So just be true to yourself, people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Thanks a lot for watching my channel today, and keep sharing the channel. People who are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also stay tuned for more live readings, more videos coming your way. Thanks a lot for all the support and love to the channel. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck. When it comes to your career, what's going on in your career? People who've chosen pile number 3, I do see that at this point in time there is a divine intervention on the career front when it comes to your situation. Things are happening with all the blessings and positivities from the universe. I see a lot of contentment, a lot of whatever struggle, you might have seen some kind of struggle in the past on your career, but at this point in time I see that you are content, you are satisfied, you have the best of everything that you could have actually asked for, and you are absolutely full of positivity, full of hope. I see new opportunities, and whatever you're doing in your present opportunity, present career also, it's all very satisfactory for you. It's bringing you a lot of happiness. I must say that whatever you're doing, it's keeping up the determination alive. It's keeping up the success and the victory feeling, that I really want to be successful, I want to be victorious in this thing that I'm doing. It's something that you've been waiting for, and you've finally got it. For a lot of you also on the career front, I see that there is a balance on the career front, on the family front, on your relationships, whatever it is a complete package. Your health, your wealth, everything is going the way you want it to be, going. And I see abundance, I see a lot of contentment on the cards for you. Your efforts have really been rewarded well. Also, for people who've chosen pile number 3, maybe on the financial level also, the kind of saving or the financial control that you were wanting has finally come to you. You've been wanting to save on your finances, and that's something you've got. And also the cards are definitely pointing that within the next 3.5 weeks to 1 month, I see more opportunities coming your way, and I do see you making a lot of decisions, making some kind of a decision which is going to be beneficial for you also. And also, you've been waiting to decide, you've just been having that kind of a thing, whether to do this, whether to do that. I had so many opportunities, I need to choose one. So now it's finally going to be the time wherein you will take that decision. So I can see that for a lot of you, you are in that zone wherein everything is working out the best for you. Since these are general readings, I do see that people who've chosen pile number 3, you may be at the brim, you may be at the edge of your decision, wherein this decision will actually make things, go on the positive side for you. Or you've been expecting a lot of things, but you've got 75% out of that. So now is the decision that you're going to be taking, and your life is going to be completely changed the way you want it to happen. A lot of movement, financial movement, shifting. Maybe you're in a new job, maybe you've been actually eyeing somebody's position, a promotion, anything on those lines. Like I said, a lot of you have seen some kind of a struggle in the past, so that is coming to an end. People who've chosen pile number 3, since this is a beautiful time coming your way, and some of you are already experiencing it, the cards are definitely suggesting you to please be away from negative people. Do not share your success with everybody. You need to make sure that you know who's your person and who's not. That you will see that you have enemies in this particular line, or people are eyeing at you, because your success is not going to be something which is liked by everybody. So you need to actually discriminate between people who are your well-wishers and who are actually just watching you and are feeling jealous of you. So just make sure that you don't share your success or your plans or your activities with people. Also, the universe will guide you through in the right direction, which is the best for you on your career front. And within the next 2 months, I see a lot of stability on the career front. Women who've chosen this particular pile number 3, for your jobs or for your finances or for your career, it's definitely a positive time approaching you, a balance approaching you. If you've been thinking of taking a break on the career front for family planning, this is for women, then the next 2 months are definitely going to be towards that. And also for a lot of women who have chosen pile number 3 for financial stability or starting your own venture, or you want to know if you're going to be doing something of your own, or whether you're going to be working, whether you're going to be financially independent in your career, then yes, definitely I see that independence is there for you on the cards. Within the next 2 months, things will start moving for you, and a beautiful time approaching for people who've chosen pile number 3. Some of you are already in that time, some of you are already enjoying the fruits of your labor, your struggle is over, and I can see a beautiful time which has already started for you. And the rest of you, it's starting within the next 24 days to maximum 1 month. So just keep pushing yourself, and like I can see that the divine intervention is there. The universe is with you. It has chosen this time for you. So it's just you don't have to worry about anything. Things have already been planned for you. Let's see what the miracle cards I have to guide you regarding your career, or what they are advising you, what are they suggesting you. So let me just take out cards for people who've chosen pile number 3, the miracle cards. See what the miracle cards are going to guide you. So just push aside any kind of distraction or laziness that's coming your way. justice is coming in your life, balance is coming in your life. You will be having a very strong willpower, determination, which I also saw in the mystical wisdom cards, that feeling of being successful, being victorious is coming to you. Be assured that balance, golden opportunities are coming in your life. They're going to be knocking at your door, and wonderful moments of joy are coming to you. People are going to be supporting you financially, emotionally, or whatever help that you require. For people, the support that you want, people who are being, who've been wanting loans or are wanting investments, you're going to get that. And that's what the other cards have also told us. The Art of Tarot cards have also clearly told us that whatever that movement, that whatever you've been waiting for is now coming to you. Shifting, buying a new house, any of those lines that you really want to do. Also, this is a wonderful period of expansion for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. So just take decisions based on your beliefs, strength and intuitions. Make sure that you are not sharing your activities or your plans with unknown people, or even people generally. You have to be sure that it all happens with you have to be clear in your mind. Your intuition, your gut feeling has to be really, really clear, really, really strong. And also this would be a wonderful time to do charitable acts. Charity will be the best thing, and do very simple charity. I've always said that charity will have to be very simple. It could be feeding the dogs, it could just be doing something very simple, going to the temple, feeding bananas to the needy. It is just going to make your karma, your karmic chart positive, and help you for further increase in fortune. Have a magnetic aura, have positive thoughts, you will attract the best. Like I can see it in the cards, sudden fortune is just coming to you, unexpected fortune coming your way. So for people who've chosen pile number 3, just stay, have a very positive attitude. Your aura needs to be positive. It should be attracting all, you have a positive magnetic aura. Attract all the positivity that you can from the universe, and the universe is with you. So wonderful time approaching your career. Thank you so much once again for watching my channel, dropping by my channel today. Thanks a lot for all the messages, feedback. Keep sharing the channel. People who are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more updates on live readings and general videos. Thanks a lot once again. Take care and stay safe till we meet again.